Teacher Belinda from Think Academy, and I teach our Primary 4 weekly online advanced math program. Hope that you've enjoyed our Primary 4 School Holiday Revision Champion Challenge. There are some tricky questions contained in the challenge, and I'm going to go through 3 of them with you. So let's begin. Question 1. In the sum shown below, different shapes represent different digits. What digit does the square represent? So first of all, let's say what happens if the shapes don't need to be different. Then the biggest possible value of each of these shapes will be 9, right? So let's take the biggest possible value of the circle, which is 99, and also the biggest possible value of the square, which is 9. And so adding them up gives us the biggest possible sum of 99 plus 9 plus 9, which is 117. So what does this tell us? If the biggest value of the 3 triangles is 117, then the triangle must be 1, and the final sum we get must be 111 or 111. So now, let's turn our sights to the circle. So what if the circle isn't 9? What if we don't need it to be 9? And we pick the next biggest number, which is 8. So if the circle is 8, then the maximum sum is 88 plus 9 plus 9, which is 106. So since 106 is still smaller than 111, that tells us that having the circle be 8 is not big enough. And so in that case, the circle must be 9. So if the circle is 9, then what is the square? Well, from here we know that 111, which is the 3 triangles, is equal to 99, the 2 circles, plus square. And so 2 squares is equal to 111 minus 99, and each square will be that value divided by 2, which then gives us 6. In this question, the mass of 13 plums is equal to the mass of 2 apples and 1 orange. And the mass of 4 plums and 1 apple is equal to the mass of 1 orange. And so we want to find the mass of 1 orange is equal to the mass of how many plums? So first of all, let's list out the 2 conditions that are given in the question. We know that 13 plums is equal to 2 apples and 1 orange. And from the second statement, we know that 1 orange is equal to 4 plums and 1 apple. So from here, we see that the words 1 orange appears in both the first and the second equation. And so we can take 4 plums and 1 apple and substitute it into the 1 orange that appeared previously. From here, we get that 13 plums is equal to 2 apples plus 4 plums plus 1 more apple, or 3 apples and 4 plums. Then we rearrange this equation a little bit to get 9 plums is equal to 3 apples, or 1 apple is equal to 3 plums. So now that we know what 1 apple is, let's have a look at our second line, which says 1 orange is 4 plums plus 1 apple. We can substitute this 1 apple with 3 plums to get 1 orange is equal to 4 plums plus 3 plums, or a total of 7 plums. And so the mass of 1 orange is equal to the mass of 7 plums. In this question, the distance between town B and town D is 273 kilometers, and the distance between town A and town C is 174 kilometers. The distance between town A and town B is twice the distance between town B and town C. And we want to find what is the distance between town C and town D. So first of all, What can we say about the distance between town A and town B and the distance between town B and town C? Well, from the question, we know that AB is equal to twice of BC. And we also know that AB plus BC, or the distance between town A and town B and the distance between town B and town C added together is 174. In other words, 3BC is 174. So what's the distance between town B and town C? Well, it's just 174 divided by 3, which is 58 kilometers. And since we know that the distance between town B and town D is 273 kilometers, and the distance between town B and town C is 58 kilometers, we can then find the distance between town C and town D, which is 273 minus 58, or 215 kilometers. Alright, hope that you've enjoyed learning simpler ways to solve the tricky questions through this video. And if you enjoyed the video, then visit www.thinkacademy.sg to check out the online courses that I and my fellow Math Master teachers teach. Hope to see you soon!